So what I do is I briefly share the purpose that we have as to why we are doing this. What is the reason behind doing this particular training, and why is it free? A little bit of a purpose that I would like to tell. The first thing is I'll start off with a short prayer. God, we praise you for who you are. We thank you for everything that you've done in our lives. We have complete faith in you, and we surrender all our needs to you. Please take care of us. Amen. So the ultimate aim of this particular course that we are doing is to bring glory to God. It is because we are all faithful to God, and God has helped us so much in what we are doing in our company. So we decided that we will create something for free for those who would like to find computer related, software related jobs. So we as a company, what we do is we actually develop softwares, software solutions and mobile apps. So that is what we do for all our customers. So we have around 180 customers. We are there in around 10 countries as of now. But what we are doing is we also want to help another society by giving them free education with software programming, how to make websites, how to make softwares, hands-on experience with software development. So we wanted to give such an experience for everyone. So that is the idea we had around 1.5 years back. So we created an initiative and we call it as REACH. So through REACH, which is an initiative that we have started, we wanted to help candidates to find software related jobs, and that is why we have created this particular initiative. A small background about me: I have been programming since 25 years, and I am a mechanical engineer with MBA in marketing and finance. Rejola we started in 2011, so it's a 9-year-old organization that we have. So our the main vision that we have is by December 2021, we want to help at least 1,000 candidates to find software programming jobs. That is the aim that we have. So having said that, I'm not sure how many of you have just joined the training group, whether you have already started training, how much of training you have already completed. For example, in level 1, you have to complete HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. In level 2, you will be completing PHP, MySQL, jQuery and Ajax and jQuery plugins in level 2. And in level 3 and level 4, we will be giving you live projects, first demo project and then live project, where you will get training to work on those projects, to actually create a software and see it working with our guidance. So that is what we will help you in each level. And after each level, we will be creating, we will be sending you a certificate that you have cleared level 1, then you have cleared level 2, then level 3 and level 4. And after you have successfully completed level 4, then you would qualify for a job assistance. It is not job assurance, it is job assistance. That is, we ourselves in our company, in Rejola IT Services, we have openings where we are looking for extremely committed and dedicated candidates who can join our own team. So we have openings also. Even if we do not have opening by the time you complete your training, we have a network of friends who would have an opening, and we can help you to attend interviews over there. So the first level, you may complete it very fast because it's basic website development. So it's a simple thing in the first level. So please complete it very fast. Level 2 is little more advanced, where you have to work with softwares, object-oriented programming, with database connections, with front-end coding with using Java, jQuery, then Ajax, connections between front-end and back-end. So level 2 is a little more advanced. Level 3 is of course going to be a demo project, where we will give you a project where you can work on it, and we will guide you. We will help you in completing that project, and we'll give you a certificate after level 3. And level 4, we will actually give you a live project, where you can actually work on a live project which is going to be used by a customer after some time. So that is how the whole training program has been divided, and it is completely free. Please understand that we are not charging anything. The reason is because all the videos we have already created it. It took us little effort to create the video, so it's already created. And only on Saturday for a 30-minute, I come on board and I clarify doubts that you have from your training. So I'm not sure how many of you really have doubts right now to ask, because this entire session is going to be doubt clearance only. The learning has to be done through the videos that are put every single day. So if you have not followed the videos and if you have come here directly, then I'm not sure how this particular session can be beneficial. So if any of you have doubts, you can unmute and ask me. What I will do is I will try to clear that doubt to the best extent possible by me. So I'm not saying I'm the best programmer, or I can answer every doubt that you have, but at least I can guide you. I can show you the approach that I would take to answer those kind of doubts that you have. So please unmute and ask any doubts you have, either with programming. If you don't have doubts of programming, you can ask some doubts about this course. You can ask some doubts about software field, about software programming, or about the career in software. Anything, please go ahead and ask. Please turn on your video, because it is good to have your video. We can see your video as we're talking to you. Please turn on your video. Yeah, Funny, you have some doubts.
Hi sir, good morning sir.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, Funny, please ask your doubt.
Sir, I wanted to choose networking side sir. How is it sir?
You're asking me how is the career, or you're asking me how to learn?
Yes sir, career and learn sir, how to learn and career. What about career networking side?
Okay, great question. Again, see, what we are trying to do is we are trying to create software programmers and not network training or network assistance, because we don't know that. We don't have the strength in doing that. But I can give you the connection of a very good friend of mine who is running a networking training institution. So you can contact them, and they have been in networking training, I think, for almost 15-20 years now. So I can give you, their contact.
Yes,
so if you're interested in the WhatsApp group, my number is there. Just message me on WhatsApp. I'll send you their contact. But it is a paid.
okay sir, sure sir.
It is a paid training, because it's not something that they do it for free. But it's a very well-established institution in Chennai. You can get trained there, and they can actually help you to improve your career in networking. Okay, so just send me a WhatsApp
Thank you sir.
message.
Thank you very much.
Our focus is to create software programmers. So anything beyond that, I would not know the complete details. That is why. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much sir.
Thank you, Funny. Thank you very much. Yeah. Anybody else has any questions? Please unmute and ask. It can be with career, or with software programming, or technology, anything. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yeah, David, go ahead.
You
Yeah.
told HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. You're going to teach. Each topic, how many days it will take, sir?
See, HTML, CSS, ideally, if you already have a computer science experience, that is, if you're a BCA, MCA, or a computer science graduate like BTech or something, HTML and CSS should not take you more than 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
Because if you spend around 8 to 10 hours every day, it should not take you more than 2 or 3 days, because that is the most simplest, whatever you can learn in the entire course content. So I would say really it should not take more than 2 or 3 days. But if you don't have IT background, if you have not studied BCA, MCA, BTech, or any of the IT background, then it may take you maybe 1 or 2 weeks time.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So what is your background, David? What is your background? What have you studied?
Actually, I'm working in IT, sir.
Okay.
For 3 months only. Before 3 months only, I joined for IT.
Okay.
I'm working in Angular basics.
Android.
Angular later. Angular.
Angular.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then HTML will be very simple for you. I think you can complete it in 1 or 2 days.
Yeah, yes, sir. I completed, sir.
Very good. Thank you very much, David. Thank you. Yeah, Malati, David, tell me. No, David is not. Yeah, Funny, go ahead. Yeah, you want to ask one more question?
Sir, you have HTML tutorials sir?
Yes. If you are there in the WhatsApp group, the videos are being shared, which is like a half an hour video where HTML, CSS, Bootstrap videos are being shared. So you can go through each of them, and that is only a small guide. I would recommend that you please Google and search. There are plenty of resources, but we have given our own based on our content. See, we have created a small content because you can learn a lot of things in HTML, CSS,
Okay,
and
sir.
program. So we have created a small content, and based on this content and based on some homeworks and all that, we have created some videos. So that will be shared in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Fani. Yeah, Malati, you wanted to ask.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Malati, go ahead. You can. Yeah, please go ahead.
Hi sir,
Yeah.
now I'm pursuing MBA second year IT, Information Technology.
Okay.
So is this useful for HTML5 for me?
You're doing MBA in IT.
IT, Information Technology,
Okay, and before MBA, what did you do?
Beacon Computers.
BCom computers. Okay. So what I understand is your aim in life is not to become a programmer, correct? Yeah. So if your aim is not to become a programmer, whatever we are teaching might only help you as an additional knowledge. It may not help you as a core functional knowledge. It may not, what do I say? It may not give you based on what you might be working, but it will just definitely open your mind to think of what your team might be doing. Because if you are an MBA in IT systems, you would be more in admin side or more in operational side or more in management side. So if you have knowledge of this, it may not help you over there, but it will at least give you an understanding as to what the programmers go through, what is the kind of work that they are doing. Because see, if you would have had BCA or BTech or some kind of a computer programming side, and then if you did MBA, you will know both the worlds. You will know the programming world and the management world. Now your entire exposure is on the management side. So it might help you if you just go through the whole course with an intention not to master it, but with an intention to at least know it, to at least be aware of it. So that is how I think it may help. So there is no harm in you learning the whole thing, but obviously, you might not go to level 3 and level 4. You may go up to level 2 and then you can drop off. Because level 3 and level 4 is about programming, and I don't think you are interested in programming. Are you interested in programming?
Yes sir, can I do it?
You can do it, but you have taken up MBA in IT systems, so it is not something that might be useful for you in the long run. But you can always give it a try. You never know. It can be a multifaceted. You might have a very large amount of experience both in programming and management and all that. So it might help you in your career in the long run. Yeah.
I'm trying to learn some technical courses. So is this helpful for me? I asked like that only.
It is definitely helpful as long as you focus on your core studies. This can be your additional extracurricular activities. Why not? Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you
sir.
Yeah. So anybody else? I can see that Nagalakshmi has also joined us. So do you have a doubt?
So just started with HTML, a lot of things, sir. I'm not able to manage my time. That's why I'm not able to complete at all.
So first of all, congratulations that you have started, because you've been wanting to start for more than two months now. So that's amazing. So
yes, sir.
Really nice. So
sometimes I'm not able to join Rijola without the timekeeping. Still, I'm trying, but the problem is there are some blocks where I'm not able to move forward. And in between, so many things are coming up, sir. Sorry, I need to manage my time.
No problem. See, that is the power of this particular course that we are giving through Reach. The power is that there is no force on anyone, whether you do it in a week or you do it in a year or two. Because we even have 10th class and 11th class students in the training. So you take even a 2-3 years also, absolutely no pressure on you. Take your own time. We do not want to push anyone. It is a free service that we are giving. So depending on the life journey or where you are in the life journey, whether it fits you appropriately or not, it's perfectly fine. Take it in your own pace. There is no pressure at all. As long as God keeps me alive, I am hoping and wishing that I will do this every Saturday morning. So it's a service that we are doing for absolutely free. So no pressure. Take your own time.
Yes, sir. Yes.
May God lead our steps in the right direction. That is what I would say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, that is really gives me hope. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Definitely, definitely.
Definitely, I'll come back to you with more doubts, sir. But HTML, when I started, half the things I done again, giving some in between, in the brackets and all, whatever I'm giving, no, it's not taking only.
So what you can
So,
do is, so that's why we actually keep posting in the message also in the group that if you put that specific doubt in the group, WhatsApp group, just copy that particular code and put it in the
okay.
WhatsApp group. I can immediately
Okay, sir.
answer, or Durga can answer, because she also knows website development, software
Sure.
creation and all that. And that specific doubt, if I feel that it's a good one and I have to address it so that everybody can benefit, I may even cover it in the Saturday session.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So always
Done, done.
put your doubt in the group. So whenever we have time,
Okay.
we'll be able to answer it.
Okay. So one more doubt. This I started line on the other side Python also, because my company, they are pressuring me to finish it off
Very
after giving a deadline. So
Very
it is somewhere it is same only, right, sir? The
everywhere.
basics and all Python.
Everywhere it is same.
Yeah.
In fact, I studied React Native around 2 months back, and 3 days
Okay.
back I started studying Flutter. Flutter is a new mobile app programming language that's being developed by Google. So I started studying Flutter. So there is no difference. I mean, all the programming languages basically follow a similar approach, that is logical thinking. Can you think logically? Logical reasoning. That's it. Every programming language
Yes.
is the same. If you're
Yes.
a person who can have a logical thinking, what comes after this, what is the sequence, what is
Yes.
the
Yes.
methodology,
Yes.
and then every programming language is same. So you can keep learning. See, personally, I would have learned around 15 to 20 different programming languages by now in the last 25 years. I'm not saying I have mastered all of them, but at least I know the concepts. And thanks to Google, you can get the entire syntax, everything on Google, and you can build your programming language in a
Yes.
perfect
Very
manner.
much. Very much.
So
Very
don't
much.
stop
Yes.
learning. If you're learning Python, that's amazing. You can learn Python, you can learn Java. I'm learning Flutter, which uses Dart, D-A-R-T. That's the programming language in that. So please keep learning. Please do not stop anytime.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm doing. Sometimes I may not be doing through Regula, but definitely I will update, sir. I'll try my best to log in through Regula and try to finish it
Perfect.
off, sir.
No
Thank you so
problem.
much.
No problem. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. So can we have two people who have not spoken and asked their doubts, Soumya and Sonia Gautam. So you also please turn on your video and unmute yourself. And if you have any doubts, please do ask your doubt. The doubt can be with respect to the programming language or...
Good morning.
Good morning, Soumya. Yeah. What is the doubt?
Good morning, sir. Sir, actually, I'm a recent graduate in ECE.
Okay.
So I'm very much interested in programming. So I can build my career in IT.
Definitely you can. See, I am a mechanical engineer myself. But
I have basics of, I know basics of HTML and CSS.
Very good. Then you can complete.
And Java also, I know little bit.
Excellent. That means you can complete level 1 probably in a week's time. So aim to complete level 1 as early as possible. Spend at least 8 or 10 hours every day with the videos and all that. Finish it off very fast. Go to level 2 where you will learn more of programming concepts and you can complete that also very fast. Level 3 and level 4.
Okay, sir, you will share videos?
Yes, it
or
is
else?
in the WhatsApp group. Do you have are you there in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir, I have joined yesterday itself.
Yes. So one of our team members who is the reach coordinator, her name is Durga. So she will be putting the videos in the group. So it's a playlist on YouTube, so you can go through that. If whenever you have any doubt, you can put it in the WhatsApp group. And if you have completed everything, you can still update in the WhatsApp group. We will move you to level 2. And in level 2, also, there will be a lot of videos where you will learn about PHP, MySQL, jQuery, Ajax. And if you have any doubts there also, you can share it in the WhatsApp group. And every Saturday like this, if you have a specific doubt, like, you're unable to understand a specific concept, you can share that specific concept and I will clarify it. I will do the programming and I will show you.
Okay, sir.
I'm not doing the programming right now because nobody is asking me a technical doubt. Everybody is asking me a career doubt or something. So it's perfectly fine.
Actually, no, sir, we are starting from today itself now.
Very good. Very good. I really appreciate your honesty. So all the best to you. Please watch
Thank you,
the
sir.
videos and complete it as early as possible. ECE and computer science, there is a lot of difference, because in computer science and programming language, you will have to be get onto a different world. So explore your interest. Watch for the next 3-4 weeks. How is your interest? Are you really passionate about it? Do you have a passion towards it? Because if you do not have
Okay,
an
okay.
actual passion towards it, you may not excel in it. So you'll have to keep examining whether, am I really passionate about this? Do I really want to sit and program for 8 hours, 10 hours, 15 hours and all that? So you need to have the passion, because see, when I started in 1995, I was so passionate that I could sit for even 15, 16, 18 hours in a day without moving from my computer and just programming the whole day. I used to even skip my breakfast, lunch and dinner. That is how passionate I was. I love programming. And I did my mechanical engineering and I did my MBA in marketing and finance. I have not touched computer science in my mainstream education. I did computer science as a hobby, as an extracurricular activity right from 1995. Every year I kept learning different computer science programming, and this is where I am right now. So where I have founded an IT company where we make softwares and mobile apps and all that. So you should examine whether programming is really your passion, or are you getting irritated by it? Because few people don't love programming. They sit in front of the computer, they get scared and irritated. If that is your scenario, then you should not do it. So try for 3-4 weeks, examine your passion, and if you're really passionate about it, you can definitely clear off level 4 also very fast. So all the
Okay,
best.
sir. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You have any more questions, Soumya? No. Okay. Sonia Gautam, yeah, you can share your video and please ask your question.
Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm Sonia from Gujarat.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm BBA student and I want to be a web developing, game developing, and everything I want to learn from here.
Okay, but why do you want to move from BBA to web development?
Because I like this, that's why.
Okay, so if you're
I'm
passionate
interested.
about it, see, if you're passionate about it, nothing will stop you. Please do it. If you have a computer at home, if you have an internet connection, you
Yes,
can.
I have laptop.
Very good. So you can follow the videos, you can go through them. Any doubts you have, share it in the WhatsApp group. Examine yourself. As I told to Soumya just now, you just observe yourself that for the next 1 month, how are you feeling when you're sitting in front of the computer and programming? Do you feel nice about it, or do you feel passionate about it or not? Because if you're not passionate about it, you may not like
Then
it.
we can't. But I like it. Means more and more. I want to be make developing like any website.
Very good. Very
So
good.
that's why I joined you.
Sure, all the best to you, and spend at least 8 to 10 hours every day, because the videos that we are sharing is only for 30 minutes. So I would strongly recommend that you watch, not only watch for 30 minutes, you practice for 8 to 10 hours every day.
Practice for 8 to 10 hours.
And watch more than one videos every day so that you can finish off very fast.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best. All the best. I think I have answered everyone. So if any of you have any more questions, you can unmute yourself and ask, or we can close today's session. So any of you, do you have a question, or shall we close it?
Okay, no questions.
No more questions, sir. Thank you.
No more questions. Okay. So thank you very much. And as I told you, you're all in level 1 training right now. So please complete the level 1 training, which is quite simple to do. It's just HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So it's a great starting platform if you do not have a programming background, or if you have not had an hands-on experience. So this is a great platform to be in. So please start off with complete your level 1 training as early as possible, so that you can move on to level 2 training. And I would like to repeat once again that this is completely free. We are not charging anyone for anything. See, what is our benefit out of this? One is the satisfaction that we get that we are helping someone. So that's one thing. Second is, if any of you completes level 4, it's a big advantage for us, because we are getting a great candidate into our company. So we want dedicated, committed candidates who are passionate about programming, who can join our company. So that's the benefit we get after level 4. So that's perfectly fine. We are willing to wait for a few months, or maybe even for a few years with someone to become part of our team later on. But I'm not saying that if you just undergo the training, you want to become part of our team, or you will become part of our team. It's a choice. It's a complete choice. one great advantage is we will be sending you a certificate after each level. So it will add value to your career. You can put it in social media. You can put it along with your resume. You can, if you go for an interview, you can show that you've completed all these things. So that's one big great advantage that you get without any strings attached. So that's something that I would like to say. And thank you all for joining. So if you do not have any more doubts, we can stop this particular session, and then hope that each one of you will spend at least 8 hours every day. Don't think that Saturday and Sunday is a holiday for me, so I will not do it. Please invest on Saturday and Sunday also. And next Saturday, if you have any doubts, we can have another session and we can clarify them. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Next time, I request you to post the ID and password separately so that I can log in from a different device. Thank you. Today, that's why I got late.
No, I
I
think
was waiting for the ID. Yeah.
it is there in
The ID and password actually this time was not separate. Only the link was given.
Okay.
So,
So ID and password actually was there in the previous message. If you just scroll up a little, it is there. The Zoom entire meeting.
no, sir. 2-3 messages I scrolled up and checked, sir.
Not
Okay.
to say,
Sorry then.
Our group is so active. We have around 100 members right now. So
Yes,
two
yes.
messages will not help. You might have to go up like probably 10 or 15 messages
Okay.
to get there. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll check next time, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And we have Saeem Ahmed also joining us. So since we have a couple of more minutes, maybe we can hear from Saeem Ahmed also. So Saeem, what doubt do you have either about programming or about this course? Saeem, do you have any doubts? Because we are closing the session, so we are just waiting for you to ask the doubt. Everyone else have completed asking their doubts. Saeem Ahmed.
Sir, please repeat the question. I didn't hear.
Yeah, I will repeat the question, but you have to turn on your video also, Saeem Ahmed, because that is the way we will know who you are. And can you please turn on your video also, please?
Okay, sir, I am turning my video on.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Saeem, the question that we were asking and answering is like, what doubt do you have? Because every Saturday we actually answer the doubts that you have, and so that I can help you to learn the programming languages much better. So what doubt do you have? Do you have any doubt about programming or web development or about some code? Or do you have some doubt about this training or career in IT, software, any doubts you have? So that's the session today. So if you have some programming doubts, I can actually program right now and I can clarify to you. If not, if you have any other doubts also, you can ask me. So you can please unmute and ask if you have any doubts.
Sir, I don't have any doubt because I am a first year student and I didn't know very much about programming language.
Okay. Okay, then
So
what I would suggest is that in the WhatsApp group, you're there in the WhatsApp group, right?
I didn't see the video because I am not participating in this video because I am preparing some exams.
Okay.
Test. So I didn't participate in that. After a few days, I will try there and
Very good.
make.
Very good. So thank you very much. So maybe by next Saturday, you can have some doubts, specific doubts. All the best. So what are you doing? Are you doing BTech or BCA or what are you doing? Which first year of what are you studying?
I am studying pre-engineering.
What are you studying?
Pre-engineering.
Pre-engineering.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is pre-engineering? What is that? What is pre-engineering?
Sir, it is included in the course of Pakistani content. I am from Pakistan.
Okay.
So here is the option is in the first year and second year, three major categories for engineering sciences students: IT, engineering, and medical. So I'm going to engineering about some physics and mathematics.
Okay. So this is this your 11th class and 12th class, or is it after your 12th class?
This year I clear my first year class, and I am now inshallah from 15th September I appear in second class.
Okay. all the best to you. So maybe after a week or so, you can have more doubts and you can get them clarified. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So I think we'll close the session. Thank you all very much for being there. Thank you. I'll post this video in the group also so that others can also benefit that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.